What is up, guys? For today's video, I'll be responding to a comment I got. Someone asked, how do I stay positive? This is a great question. It can be challenging to find the energy to be positive. However, I believe you can learn to be. I don't know if there's truly a one-size-fits-all to this question, but this is my take. I think it's a lot easier to complain, get upset, and be negative all the time. But with some willingness to change and effort, you'll find it more fulfilling to find the positive from every situation. That said, being happy isn't always easy. You shouldn't ever think you will one day wake up and never be sad again. Life will get to you. I still have days I feel low or sad, but it doesn't stop me from doing something positive and productive. Life is a constant battle, and you must choose to make a habit of being happy and a positive person. I started practicing positive habits like meditating, reading self-help books, exercise, and practicing gratitude. I started journaling a lot and writing positive notes around my desk, which I read every time I work. I started surrounding myself with positivity, and it's naturally turning me to be a more positive person. I've come a long way from the formerly negative person I used to be. Step 1 is to stop seeing yourself as a negative person and tell yourself you're a positive one instead. You'd be blown away how big of an impact what you tell yourself has. The beliefs you surround yourself with are everything. If you say to yourself all the time you suck or you don't deserve love, that you will never be healthy or you aren't good enough, you will undoubtedly feel sad. Instead, say to yourself you're proud of making it to today. Say you love yourself. Tell yourself you believe you can do anything you put your mind and time into. And start showing yourself more compassion. Before, when I made a mistake, I would hate myself for it, and it would ruin my whole day. Let go of the idea that you will be perfect and just do your best. Remember that you're human, and humans make mistakes. It's okay. What you've got to do instead is show up every day and do something that betters yourself or the world, no matter how big or small. Either by going to the gym, volunteering, reading a book, meditating, giving a genuine compliment, or telling someone that you love them. The words and actions you release into the world have a funny way of coming back to you. You can't change the things you've done in the past, but you control the present, and you can manifest a positive future. Let go of your mistakes and forgive people who've wronged you in your life. Allowing things to be grants you permission to grow so you don't make the same mistakes or dwell on the past. You must learn from your failures and become a stronger person. When you're at a low, it's up to you how to perceive it. Remember, the cup is always half full, not half empty. Instead of looking at what you don't have in a situation, find opportunities to grow from them. Don't worry if this is hard to do. It took time for me, and even at times still, I struggle with it. No matter if it makes you sad, mad, annoyed, or regretful, realize that each bad situation opens the door for change. And with change, you will be met with growth. Remember that your life is your responsibility. If you learn to be resilient in all situations, you can better control your emotions. You must also learn to believe that the universe has your back, because it does. The things the universe has thrown onto your path is what you must overcome to become the person you want to be. The biggest setbacks you faced and will face have the opportunity to guide you to become your greatest and happiest self. Practice letting go of your self-doubt, toxic relationships, negative beliefs and behaviors, and practice positive ones instead. Change is never easy, but with time it comes. Push through the lows you will inevitably face in life and find how you can grow from them instead. This is how you become a positive person. Once you can do this, you realize that life is quite beautiful. That's going to be all for the video today, guys. I hope you are doing well. Don't forget to smile. Don't forget to be happy. And most importantly, don't forget to take a step back and enjoy life, because life is beautiful. Have a great day, guys. I'll see you tomorrow for day 52. Peace.